Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to add a SIM card to an iPhone. So you can be changing a SIM card in an iPhone that you have already, or you could be adding a SIM card to a brand new iPhone that you've just purchased. So for this, you'll of course need to have your iPhone. And your iPhone obviously will have no service when there's a SIM card or no SIM card inside of it. So get your iPhone ready. You also have with your iPhone a SIM card that you'll need to install. And you'll need the little tool that Apple provides you. Now, if you've purchased an iPhone online or you've lost this tool, you can still change it with a paperclip. So I'll show you how to use a paperclip to get into the SIM card tray and change your SIM card. So the first thing to do is to take the SIM card out of the card casing that it comes in. And most SIM cards these days will come in 3 sizes in one, basically in there. So we'll see how that'll work in a second. So to locate the tray on your iPhone, almost all iPhones these days, the tray is located on the right-hand side of the phone when you're looking at it face on. So you'll take your tool, open up the tray, and let's say you don't have the tool, you need to use a paperclip. Just take the paperclip like this and just open it up slightly here. Let you grab onto it, and then you'll be able to insert the paperclip into the little hole, pop out the tray, and then that way you can have access to the tray to put the SIM card in. Now you see this SIM card, as we pop it out of the casing, is too big for the tray. It actually takes a micro SIM. So the way most of these are these days is that we can pop out the micro SIM and just place it into the tray. So you'll see there's a little notch here, and that'll show you how you can fit it into the tray. So just turn it over so the notch matches here. Slip it into the tray and just make sure that it's flush there. It's got to be, not sticking out at all, because it has to slide into the phone evenly. Pop it into the phone. Just press gently. If it doesn't fit easily, don't force it. Just try to get it in there easily. And now the phone will be available to be activated. Even if your phone's activated, then you'll still need to activate the SIM card. You might need to talk to your cell phone provider to make that active. So that is how to change a SIM card in an iPhone. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button and also subscribe. We're always putting new helpful videos up on our channel, and comment on the video and share it with your friends as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.